Hey folks, this is the recipe we'll be making today, a Thai flavoured stuffed omelette with chicken and vegetables. It's quick and easy to prepare and will take you about 30 minutes from start to finish. And as usual, the full list of ingredients is in the description. First thing to do is to make the flavour paste by blending the following ingredients: sugar, a chopped shallot or onion, 1 red chilli, coriander, and 1 clove of garlic. Place the ingredients into a blender along with some fish sauce, soy sauce and vegetable oil. And blend it all into a smooth paste. The ingredients for the stuffing are as follows: chopped mushrooms, chicken, courgettes, green beans, peas, spring onions, and red pepper. Add some oil into a pan and cook the ingredients for about 10 minutes. Add the paste into the chicken and vegetable mixture and cook for a further 5 minutes. Make the omelette with 4 eggs and salt and pepper. Place the stuffing onto half of the omelette and carefully fold over. And serve immediately with some Thai basil for garnish.